Welcome to our channel IL Education. Today our lesson is Artificial Environment and Green Concept, second episode. Firstly, we discussed water management, collecting of rainwater. As an individual person, there are causes of action which we can take to conserve rainwater. One such measure is utilizing rainwater falling onto the roof of the house of other building during drought. Drip irrigation. This is the most efficient micro irrigation method used at present. In these lateral pipes connected to the main pipeline from the water sources are laid close to root system of every crop plant. Water drips in the form of droplets from small devices called emitters in these pipes. Since water seeps only to the root system, water is not wasted and the growth of weeds is controlled. Now we discuss land management. Management of use and development of the land resources is known as land management. Some steps taken in land management are given below. Making a soil texture suitable for agriculture. Improving the soil structure so that water and air are retained wet. Making a good draining system in land. Improving the quality of soil by applying fertilizers. Cultivated better suited crops in respective places in the land. Several green concept center cultivation methods used in land management for high productivity. Mixed crop cultivation. Cultivating one or more crops along with one main crop in a same plot of the land is referred to as mixed crop cultivation. This yields many advantages. Since nutrients are absorbed in balance from soil, the quality of soil is conserved. Since there are different types of crops, the growth of weeds or damage caused by insect pests are minimized. Crops withstand unfavorable climatic conditions and plant diseases are suffered. Increase the total yield. Afford maximum benefits out of limited resources. Crop rotation. In this method, several crops are grown in the same plot of land from season to season according to an order. Mostly in crop rotation, 4 crops, a cereal and legume, a yam crop and the commercial vegetable crop. By growing different types of crop, nutrients in all the soil layers are exploited. Different modes of land preparation improves the physical, chemical and biology features of the soil. Growing crops improved by biotechnology. When improving plant by biotechnology, their tolerance to growth and resistance to diseases and pests increase while the nutritional value and taste of plant product also increase. Example for developing high quality varieties of organisms through hydrolyzation. Developing maize plants resistance to harmful weevil species. Producing varieties of rice which are resistant to pests. Protecting a variety of Fransahal containing vitamin A, making crop varieties which produce higher yield. Now we discuss post-harvest technology. cleaning, classifying, and packaging the harvest immediately after harvesting so that its quality is preserved is known as post-harvest technology. Industrial process. We have a customized to use chemical substances for various needs of our day-to-day life. They can identify as follows: cleaning agents, medicine, paints, cosmetics. Artificial environment and green concept lesson is end. If you like our videos, please like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Goodbye. See you again. This is an IL education towards the infinity of education.